Stop it with that orchestra. Shia. Y'all see that? Coming quick with it. It's good, chat. Spam some W's. Pop out. He pop out at your body. How's everyone doing? Let's put this out right here. Boom, guys, y'all see this shit? I'm like healthy now, bro. Come on now, Gym boy. Thought I would drink this during the stream. Get me hyped up. Oh, hope y'all are locked in. Hope y'all are ready. Hope y'all are blessed, excited. Damn, I never heard of that. Y'all can hear me? How was your first day, bro? I got cooked. Can't even lie. Thank you for asking, but I got cooked. I look-y kind of threw up. Not because the workout was so hard, but because, bro. So last night after the live stream, I ended up staying up. I caught a trade pretty near London Open, so I was able to kind of like peace out like quicker than usual. But I couldn't go to bed. I got like no sleep, and I ended up just like not getting to eat before the gym, and it fucked me up. Bro, dude, this is still fucked up from last night. I forgot to like reset it. Y'all remember when all that shit fucking fell? So funny. Oh, let's get into it. Who here capitalized on any positions from last night? A lot of the positions that we talked about ended up doing the reversal we talked about, which was so perfect because everything was just going pre-session, and then yeah. Who saw the new YouTube video? W's in the chat or what? UGI scored? That's what I'm talking about, bro. Whole team up. Whole team up. Throw some W's in the chat, bro. If you guys are up, showing love, put some W's in the motherfucking chat. I need this so that it won't just fucking fall and kill me like that. Sound good? Ow, fuck. Oh, like, get your identity stolen. Driving right now, can't type as much. Yeah, bro, don't type. I don't know be the reason you fucking. Because even if you did, like, if you died in a car accident, bro, like, I would have no idea to know. You would just never show up to the chat again. I'd be like, what the fuck? I would have thought you left me for some better streamer, better good, you know, better looking New York session. I'm not kidding. Out to the chat. I'm off the walkie and walkie. I'm tired as. I don't know how many pairs we should go over, guys. Obviously, I'm going to go over gold. I'm going to go over GJ. I'm shorting lots of dollar crossovers. Kamala for Prez will scare the world. Bro, straight fundamentals is, Kamala's saying she's trying to run. All right, let's short the dollar. I love it, bro. I don't hate on it. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Bro, dude, yeah, those little things last night. All right, gold's on its way down. I'm going to erase everything and do a top-down analysis, so make sure you guys are ready. But let's do a little poll. What do you guys want first, GJ or gold? Let's start a poll, guys. I want to be interactive, help you guys out. GJ or gold? Y'all let me know in the chat room. GJ or gold? What do you guys want me to break down first? Hit it, 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 hit it. Bro, should I get up into the Yeah. Yeah. Damn, 83%, 86% gold. Y'all are cracked out with gold. What up, Amari? What up, Brandon? JJ Rango, Barry, JL. Sorry for anything. No, bro. I actually DM'd with him yesterday because he was still freaking out, but I don't know what was wrong with that guy. I'm off the walkie and walkie. I'm tired of bro, is there no mods here right now? Damn, guys, who's here? Who's here every single stream? Who here in the chat has been here every single stream? I'm curious. Who truthfully feels like they've been here every single stream? There's no such thing as spamming in the Discord, bro. It's there for a reason. Pull this shit up. I see NLT Gus, duh. I've actually known fucking, I feel like I've known Gus for a while at this point. I feel like, damn, I almost just hid you on this channel. You almost just got deleted, brother. There you go, brother. We needed someone here. We needed someone here with some power. 2+ backwards, killing it. I am. Well, I've been slacking, so now. Yeah, Zell, where you been? I know you though, bro. I've seen your name. Like, I know y'all, you know. I'm here on and off, but I'm here when I can. Jealous, I appreciate you. Yeah, no, you've been here for a while though. Good to see you. Creative Minds, I see you as well. Whole team killing it, guys. I just wanted to see who was locked in because I appreciate y'all. I do appreciate everyone who shows up. There's no such thing as having favorites or anything. It's just so that maybe if I see something or if I don't see something and like Gus sees it, he can like delete it or something, you know? Gus, you can delete shit and kick people out if they're being rude. Don't you know my name? It's unique. Yeah, Repsol. I've definitely seen your name before. Appreciate you for the game. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. First live for me, guys. W's in the chat for Brandon. First live stream here. You're definitely in the right place, brother. Definitely in the right place. Damn, I call these shorts from up here. We sold the frick off. So you guys pick gold first. So we're going to go over gold. We come here and remove drawings. Go out to the hourly. Actually, we'll go out to like the daily and kind of break it down from there. Daily time frame. So we talked about it earlier, even when price was all the way at the top, that we already knew what the expansion was because this low is what created this high that broke. So it's clear that we need to get price back in a discount. We're now rejecting off the 50%, which is also the daily level of demand. That's sitting here, but I want to see if anyone can see this. Actually, I was asked to see if you guys were going to call it out, but basically, like, this is valid. I don't want to say it's not valid, but look at the low under it, guys. If I drag this daily demand to down here, right here, look what happened. This has a nice daily fair value gap sitting right above the zone. So price coming back to fill this is definitely likely. I do think we're going to get, you know, some fluctuation. We're not just going to go from all the way up here to all the way down here, but I do think that on the daily time frame, we are potentially getting a pullback down to that level. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see here that we're kind of matching up with this mini head and shoulders, but because we haven't gotten a proper pullback, I could see these highs getting taken out. I mean, yeah, look at all these bearish candles. It's just hard to say because obviously those are news driving it, so it's not like it has to come back right away, but we do want to see gold come back up at some point. I think it has to come up and fill this before coming back low, truthfully, so that's just something to keep in your head. Ardo currently trading help me with fundamentals, but also joining the lives and listening to you talk about fundamentals definitely is a huge plus. I'm hella thankful for that. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's what I'm here for, guys, is to, you know, if there's anything you guys don't really necessarily understand to the T, well, there's a reason why I'm here, you know what I'm saying? I know I brought it up on the past lives, guys, but August 10th, LA. If you guys are in the area or even, you know, even a couple hours away, guys, you guys should definitely be trying to make your way out, come to the event. It'll be cool doing, you know, breaking down some stuff, giving away like MacBooks and, you know, MacBook Airs and iPads and a bunch of shit, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all tune in. So I was on the 4 hour, guys. The 4 hour, you could see, like I said, I do think we need to get some sort of pullback before continuing down. 1 hour time frame, we're starting to consolidate. I always talk about how there's always a drive that leads to a range. And then once, you know, what comes after the range is liquidity. And then after the liquidity goes back to the drive. And then after the drive goes back to the range. And after the range goes to the liquidity. And after the liquidity goes to the drive. Does that make sense to you guys? Or am I, like, do I have to like draw it out? Like, there's no such thing as a range. Like, there's like, explain, please. Yeah, bro, of course. Y'all never be afraid to fucking ask questions. That's the whole reason why we're here. So you got to understand that, like, this is basically what I mean by a drive, right? Price moving in the direction. It doesn't have to be up. It obviously can be down. But what happens after a drive? What happens after a drive is usually a consolidation, right? Price will start consolidating. You know what I'm saying? Doing just kind of moving sideways. That usually always is what happens after a drive. What happens after the drive? I mean after the consolidation. Liquidity grab in some sort of direction. It needs to gain liquidity before re-driving. So if it's a bearish trend, I would consider, you know, it to come take the lows before the highs, whatever. So I'm always looking for it to come do some sort of like liquidity grab, and then it's going to lead to the next drive. That's something to always kind of pay attention to, guys, and break it down with just simple terms. Is price currently in a drive? Are we ranging? Are we currently in a, you know, false direction move that's going to go up another direction? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's really all I gotta say. So like, I brought up like here, like every time there's a drive, it usually leaves some sort of liquidation. I mean, consolidation, liquidation, etc. Especially on the lower time frames. Chipotle giveaway, I know, bro. Bro, if y'all need to show more love in the Discord and in the Telegram, bro. No way I'm gonna go drop $200 on Chipotle gift cards if y'all can even fucking send a like in the Telegram or on the Discord. You know what I'm saying? Show some love and I'll do it back. Easy. You're not on the Telegram, where's the link? Where is the link? I don't even know. Beacons? Damn, I don't even have it there anymore. I'm trying all these new shit, guys, but I can send you the... I can go right here. I'll send it right here. But like right here, look at it. It's like, it shows me how many people see it. Like 200 people have seen it, but it's 6 fucking, you know, y'all gotta show some love. But I can send the link by going to... How can I send the link? Add users. Oh, here we go. Link copied. Here's the free Telegram as well, guys. You guys should obviously be in the Discord, but I'm guessing a lot of you guys are in the Discord. But I like Telegram because you get the notifications very, very clean. Like when you like, I don't know how to put it. Like when you get a notification in Telegram, like you freaking know. What time frames do you look at when looking to see if it's a drive or consolidation? Do you check more than one? I would say that you can, I mean, I don't know how to say that because like it should be pretty obvious, because if you have to like ponder and wonder if it's a drive, then it most likely is not. You know what I'm saying? Like a drive is pretty clear on multiple time frames. Like this is the hourly, but if you go down to like the 15 and stuff, like you still can tell where a drive occurred. I would say like the 15 to the 1 hour, like all in between, gives you a good sense of direction, because you get a good nice range. You get a good nice idea of where the liquidity grab is, and also where the drive is, of course, on the 1 hour. I mean, pretty simple. But like if you know, you know, like fuck, like I don't know how to say it. Like it's how the market moves. Like it'll drive. Price would then, after drive, kind of consolidate because it's losing either buying power or selling power. It needs to like kind of like chill out for a second. After the consolidation is the liquidity grab. It needs to do some sort of, you know, grab in either direction to get more orders or a pullback to then end up in another drive scenario. You know what I'm saying? Price is fractal. I agree. I just was talking about, guys, remember last week I was talking about that? I really do like think that, guys. Like a lot of you guys always say that. I mean, you do have, I think you guys have to, like, it's good to use multiple time frames to understand, like, yes, I'm in kind of like a break and a retest into like a 5-15 minute demand, but I'm still in like a retracement on like the daily, maybe 4 hour. So it is good to use multiple time frames because you could get caught, but I definitely agree that it prints similar setups. Like it does the same shit. Makes sense, makes sense. Did you train today? Yes, today was my first day of training, guys. I got sent through the ringer. It was really freaking cool though. It's a private young LA gym. You only can go there if I don't know how to put it. If you have like a personal trainer, or if you, dude, even if you have like fucking what's it called? If you're like followers on Instagram, I asked them like, oh, can I come on the days that you like, can I come on the days that we're, because I'm only training 3 or 4 times a week. And I was like, oh, can I come on the days that we're not doing? And he's like, oh, you have to get a membership. And I was like, oh, how do you get a membership? He's like, bro, you have to like meet with like the guys and like have them kind of like chop it up with you and like check out your Instagram and like see if you're chill. Because famous ass people go there, so they don't want like kind of weirdos or people that aren't really like used to it. Like, bro, YG was there. You guys put a 1 in the chat if you know who YG is. Like YG was there today, you know? And like if I was a weirdo, maybe I'd walk up to him and do some shit, but obviously it's like empty. Like the whole gym, when you guys saw my story, that shit's empty. YG 400. But that's cool. Yeah, private for a reason. Exactly. Like it's in a private place. Like the building doesn't even look like it would be when you go inside. I saw from the outside. I was like, damn, I'm paying a lot for fucking this like random warehouse. And then you go in the warehouse and it's like, bro, there's a full on like lit ass basketball court with upstairs like bar area with like a bunch of games and at a gym to do events and shit. And I was like, bro, what the fuck? I was like, y'all be turning up more than fucking working out. No, I'm kidding. Guys, we've been broken down here. Once you go to private gym, I know that's what I'm saying. Once you go to private gym, you don't go back. I mean, we'll see, bro. No, I mean, actually, not like you're hella right, honestly. So guys, we are rejecting out the 50%. That is something to definitely like keep in mind. It looks like we did have some sort of like, you know, fair value gap here that we did kind of fill here, but it looks like I'm down here, completely manipulating it. And I see a nice like trend line kind of building up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if like this is going to be the overall direction to get the buys back up, because we only are in the 50%. But as like a, you know, as a trader who only used like 20-point stop losses on gold, going for 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward, I think that we can get a potential good maybe setup, looking for some sort of pull up in that area. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. It's still holding this trend line. Y'all see this? Damn. Sells or buys on gold? Well, it's like, my whole thing is this, is that if I go back out to the hourly and the 4 hour, like here, we'll just go to the hourly. We look at the hourly, I still consider this like the, like because this is where the volume, I don't know, I can like, fuck, how do I explain it? This to me is its own kind of like range. Like we've had this push and then consolidated through, and then once we broke, this to me is the last like little impulse leg that caused this new rally, right? So to me, that's its own thing. And then like this is its own kind of thing. So in my opinion, yes, we've kind of come down and broken it recently, but look how deep this freaking like dive was back below it, where now that we're coming back up and kind of retesting and shit, all price has to show me is come down and hold this low. If it breaks this low again, then bearish, it's going to continue. And there's no really even entry right here that I want to take, so I don't care if it just sells off from right here. The only like thing I would look for is if we can get some sort of like pull down right here, rejection, and maybe a break of structure and retap, but we'll just see how volume is heading into session. You know what I'm saying? Random warehouse. LO, catch me on the rooftop, borrow my neighbor's Wi-Fi to watch this. That's hella funny. Appreciate you, Zoe. Hope everyone's doing good. Appreciate everyone's been an OG. Guys, did you guys go watch my freaking YouTube video today? If you guys didn't, I'm not as mad because you guys are here on the live streams. I'm not as mad, but I mean, come on, guys. We could be doing better numbers than this, but I wasn't too mad because it's the first video I put out in a while. I don't really want to talk a lot about the video because I would love for you guys to watch it and take notes. I made it really in depth on purpose, guys. It was going to be like a 4-minute video. I ended up making it 9 minutes, going really, really in depth, showing you guys certain things and criteria, because if you guys don't understand it, first off, leave a comment or let me know so I can explain it a little bit more to you. But like, can you guys hear that or no? Can you guys hear this or no? Wait, you guys can't even hear that? My bad.
In today's video, we're going to go over the 3 key factors that turned me from an unprofitable trader into a full-time day trader, helping thousands of people all around the world do the same, all because of these 3 things I'm about to show you. I've been day trading for over 4 years now, and I'm telling you guys right now, these 3 factors that you may think you know, I'm really going to dive deep into all the characteristics and dissect what I think is the most important about them and how you can do the same. The purpose of this video is to walk away knowing that if you go and do these couple things and go and apply them to your own charts and your own accounts, you will start getting the profits that you've been seeking. Before we get into the first key factor,
I'm gonna leave it right there, cliffhanger. Y'all want to see the rest of it? Hit that motherfucking link. Go watch the whole thing through, guys. Like, my whole thing is this. I want everyone to listen up real quick. I want everyone to listen up. I understand that these videos are boring. Like, I could go get the best editor with the best graphics, and I could be whatever. I don't think it's the editing. I think it's just we live in the day and age where everyone's attention span is so low, and it's not just you guys, it's me, but I personally practice it daily. Like, I'm not talking, like, I don't know how to say it. You guys need to be able to sit down and watch it from fucking like beginning to end. I don't know how to put it. Sorry, I kind of lost my train of thought. Bro, it's not boring. It's not boring. Yeah, I appreciate it. You guys are saying it's not boring. I know, but I'm just saying because it's 9 minutes long. Like, a lot of you guys are going to watch the first 4 minutes, is what I'm trying to say. Is that you guys are going to watch the first like 3-4 minutes and then click off and not even see all the way through. You know what I'm saying? So like, same thing that I kind of said with me. I've been practicing ways to practice patience. So like putting my, when I have work to do, putting my phone down and putting it away, and like, I don't know, like being really locked in. I guess that's not patience. That's something else I've been working on. But Oh, I actually know. I was gonna say like put my phone away when I'm watching a video and shit. I can't be distracted. I have to like really like dive in and listen to something and like take notes. And if you guys don't believe me, I have it right here. I was doing it today. I don't practice anything. I don't preach, guys. I could literally show you guys roadmaps. I do how I'm gonna be doing 100K per month. I made this whole roadmap, guys, today. Like I've been like, once again, I practice what I preach. I don't just come on here to spit. You know what I'm saying? Stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, I talk from experience. I don't come here to just spit a bunch of bullshit and then just not follow it, you know? Y'all should be doing the same. Ugh. TikTok is probably that's literally what did it. It's literally what did it. For reals, I just bought VIP. I'm going through all the videos. Let's fucking go. Dude, that shit can turn you into a beast. So if you guys are unaware what he's talking about, if you come and join my VIP, inside of the VIP channel right in here, you go up to pin messages and there's a whole Google Drive where once again, you come in here, you go to VIP videos, and there's so many videos going in depth on Asian session liquidity, strategy examples, breaking it all down, manipulation, how to react, 3-step, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, when/how to close your trade, break a structure, how to spot it, entry types plus when to close, fair value gaps, GU 3-step, how to identify 3-step setups, AU plus G. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff's included, and they're all long videos, guys. Like, it's all just included when you join VIP. So if anyone is interested, I'll send the link once again right here to VIP. You just go click that motherfucking link and come and join, guys. Because like I said, just that in itself, is worth joining. You know what I'm saying? Faded, unfaded off Zammies, unwasted off. Your brokerage doesn't let you trade gold. That might be for the best, sir. Make sure y'all guys leave a comment and shit too,
Thousands of people all around the world do the same.
Like, it's just crazy, bro. We're gonna get back up though, bro. 10,000 views per day. Gangster. Gangsta. So like these type of setups I like, guys. Like I could draw this out without even looking at it. Like when price is kind of coming down like this or whatever, forming kind of a downtrend to then liquidate and still hold that downtrend. Like when I see this, all I see in my head, because y'all gotta think, I'm not a FOMO trader. There's no way I'm gonna continue to sell here. I would want to sell up here if I was bearish, you know. It's just trying to wait for an area down in here to hold. You know what I'm saying? All I see price to do is come down and I hold, break, and give me kind of a reversal. All that shit to me. Downfall. So look at what I just drew, and then let's go apply it to current price. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, to me, when I see this liquidate here and come up and still hold this, I'm like, damn. Because once again, this hasn't broken this high or anything. So like the reason I like that is because we have an extra confirmation of all it's done is make lower highs. So if we can hold and then break structure to make a higher, like not like necessarily a higher high, but out of this trend, it would go to shift structure and have a change of character to then tap and go. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we got Salva in the building. W's in the chat for Salva. What's good? How you doing, gangsta? You late, Salva. What was burning in the kitchen? Pasta. Pasta was burning in the kitchen. Started with 22 and ended with $0. Shit. Pasta got burned. I'm dead. GA still holding. Saba, have you looked at the charts at all? You look at anything? Gold, bro. So Saba, I kind of was explaining, like, I'm on the hourly right now. But kind of what I'm seeing is price, like, you know, making its lower highs on the way down. But this came and broke here aggressively and is now kind of come back into range. And I kind of want it to come, hold, break, retest, and go. You know what I'm so about to say right now. Update on Discord. Yes, sir. Send it on Discord. I'll pull it up. Now that you're at the gym and working out consistently, plan on making your food / meal prep, or how does your diet change now that you're trying to get back into it? They build me a whole meal plan, like in depth, not just like, oh, this is what I recommend. No, like this is what you're gonna have. This is how much grams of protein. Like I have to like weigh shit out and like for my first day today after the workout, I literally drove with my trainer. Like he got in the Porsche and I drove with him to a place to like do my weight, do my like body fat, do like the amount of water I am, and then I got like 4 different like supplements and shit that I have to like take daily. That's why I'm drinking this right here. I gotta drink like 3 of these a day now. You know? One thing I'm kind of hyped about is that like I get to eat more. Cause I'd be working out so tough that like I've always just been that person that's like, I thought that like, oh, don't have to like what's it called? Like, oh, you're supposed to not eat a lot and then try to work, you know what I'm saying? But like, I don't know, just after like what I was kind of learning about today and stuff, it's like, bro, for what I'm trying to do, like I just didn't understand that like if you have more muscle on your body, you are gonna like, I have to show you the freaking, I gotta show you the chart, but it shows you like what this what's it called? It's like an abbreviation. But it shows you how many calories you burn a day just doing nothing, right? And that only increases with the more muscle mass you have. Like muscle just, I guess you just burn more fat naturally when you have more muscle, and you do that by eating a lot of protein and stuff. So he told, like, my trainer told me, he's like, bro, when you go, if you like, he's like, you don't, he's like, not right off the bat, you don't have to go check couch Chipotle right away. Just when you go, don't put anything on it and get double the protein. You know what I'm saying? And I just have to be like more on top of all that. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how to, yeah, so.
Deep into all the characteristics and dissect what I...
Bro, like, who is this guy? Tell him to shut up. Tell this guy to shut up. I'll go click that link though. Mash milk. We'll do that and I'll pin it. What's your current BMI, if you don't mind me asking? Hello. All right, I mean, honestly, Carla, probably, I'm so sorry, but probably you're the last person I want to tell. No, I'm totally kidding. I honestly don't know. I have to go look at the sheet. I don't know what the BMI is. What is it? Body, I don't know what BMI is. That's not body fat. What's BMI? Body mass indication? Body mass index? Yeah, see, I don't know what that is. I have to go look at it. I'm learning all this shit today. Today's my first day. Whatever you think it is, like add probably like, you know, add probably like double, you know. Cause I'm just like super like, you know, just like super muscly and like, you know, just in shape. And like I went in there and they like type shit, like they went like I went in there and they like asked me to be the trainer type shit, you know. They were kind of sad to hear like I was like a trader and wasn't looking for a job, because they were like, bro, like we're looking for someone to like come here and like take over the whole gym and shit. And I was like, bro, if I wasn't so busy and like wasn't so busy like working out and just like making like, you know, just millions of dollars, like I'd have more time to like help out with the gym and shit, but you know, I had to let them down nicely, you know what I'm saying? Chicks look at your face and no worries of trying to get too big. Yeah, no, I know. I'm not like, I don't hate how I look. It's just, I used to be so, you know, I used to be a fucking D1 athlete. And then I started trading London session and eating Takis. Nah, Takis. Takis are fire though. But bro, like that whole time that I was streaming every single day, like honestly it was your guys' fault. Can I just shift the blame? Can I just shift the blame and say you guys are the reason I fucking got chubby? It was because of you guys fucking making me trade London and not, I'm totally kidding. But no, bro, like back when I lived in San Francisco, guys, if you guys were a part of the live streams, every single night, guys, did not miss a London. I would stream from like 11 p.m. to like 2 or 3 a.m. 4 hours, bro. I would stream for like 4 hours London and then like eat at like 3 or 4 a.m. and then go to bed. Like that's the fucking reason why. And then was too tired to go to the gym. You know what I'm saying? Luca Loki Mexican. No, bro, I'm Italian. Hell, people say I look like Middle Eastern though, which is so funny. Like a couple people have asked me that. Luca was a world champion wrestler. He used to bench 435. That's what I'm saying. Zell, if I ever have a girl here, chat. If I ever like if I ever pop out just one day and like I don't warn you guys, and like I got like chicks here or some shit, and I'm trying to like impress, like you guys got to be hyping me up in the chat, like, yo, Luca, like, thank you for feeding, like I made $100 million off like that call last night, like, yo, Luca, like, yo, thank you for like saving that cat out of that tree and shit, you know, like that shit was lit, you know, like shit like that. Yo, Luca, thank you for letting me borrow the 10K. Yeah, bro, you know, like shit like that. Jealous is on that timing. Yo, Luca, thank you for letting me borrow that 10K. Yeah, I know. If you guys ever see me like on my story, like out to dinner or something, like just like maybe like FaceTime me type shit, like on Instagram, and be like, yo, Luca, like, yo, bro, I can't believe that deal went through. Like, congrats on like the 100 mil type shit, you know, like that would, you know. Yo, Luca, thanks for saving the president. yeah. Bro, dude, Zacharific should have did that the day after Trump. He said, yo, bro, like, I get it. Like, everyone, like, messaging me saying, like, you know, like, yo, Zach, I saw you, like, I saw you save Trump. Like, that's too fucking good. Yeah, I don't know if you guys like watched the replay or anything, but like I tackled the shooter, you know, like last second type shit. I yelled like Trump, and like he moved his head, and like that's why the bullet missed, was because like I warned him, and then like I tackled the shooter, and then like, you know, the rest is history. That's what really happened. You know, I don't know what you guys read like in CNN type shit, but you know, I was there. You know, I'd taken a PJ that like Trump sent for me to go to the event, and then, you know, it was just perfect timing that I like pulled up like right when he was getting shot type shit. And then like, you know, I was like Trump, and the bullet just like way better. Biden dropped out because Luca entered the race. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Luca curved a bullet to hit the bullet like in the movie. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I fucking Matrix that bitch. Yeah, Luca made a trade, became James Bond, and still got the hump for a time. That's what I'm saying. Like, you guys know the drill. Like, I don't have to say no more. Like, you guys know the type of timing we need to be on as a gang. Like, if I'm, you know, yo, Luca, I heard you gave away like, you know, like 50 M's to like that charity type shit, and like, you know, just like how does it feel? And you know, I'll be chill about it and respond. But I need y'all to help me. Type shit. Lucas, your fly is open, bro. It's hilarious. Luca jumped out of Trump's PJ in a parachute and took out the shooter. Yeah, type shit. I had like a weird feeling, you know, like people sometimes say I've been psychic, you know, but it was just kind of like a You know, like I've never gone to a Trump rally, but like for some reason, like I just had like that feeling that like I needed to go save him, and it was just weird that like that happened type shit, you know. Luca found Mamba's Lambo is crazy. I'm so dead. He called me, dude. I found it in like fucking 10 minutes type shit. I knew exactly, you know, where it was. That is hilarious. Y'all are funny as fuck tonight. That's good fun. That's really good fun. Bro, I've really broken out GJ, guys, and the reason being is I don't know. I see this trend line for buys, but I also think we're fucking bearish is all hell. You know what I'm saying? Like, why would we like liquidate? I guess bulk. I guess this is a nice kind of reversal pattern, but because we're so bearish, I'd want to see some sort of break of structure before. Yeah, feel me? Huh. This is on the hourly. Let's go to like the 15. Let's get rid of this as well. Similar thing to gold, where like I really like that it did just create lower highs on the way down, because it's just way less likely for those highs to get broken as like a fake out. Like if we break those highs, we're most likely gonna be bullish. So yeah.
In today's video, we're gonna go over the 3 key factors that.
Bro, y'all motherfuckers need to run this video up. I swear to God. Yeah, I might drop one. Yeah, we'll see. Mamba is so chill about his Lambo situation. He's different, bro. Like when I talked to him the day that like the Lambo got stolen, bro, he didn't like, he was just more like, it's just such an inconvenience, like having to get the cars rekeyed and like go through the claims and like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and that's what I mean. I'm really glad, because that really showed that like, you know, that he's just not really a materialistic really person. Like, bro, he has so many fucking cars. He really did not care too much. You feel me? Oops, my 200k car is missing. Bro, try 400k. That car is not 200k. That car is 400k. There's no way that car is 200k. Pros to be a trader, so many blessings. No, it's a blessing for sure. It's like, fuck, all right, now I got the Rolls Royce and the McLaren and the Maybach and the Jeep. Thank God his Jeep wasn't there. He has a Jeep that he bought or whatever. He's getting it like lifted, and actually I don't know if I'm supposed to be saying all that shit. Not my business. You also find out who he is and type shit. Should we all start saying the type shit? I'm dead. Bro, I'm gonna knock that fucking camera over again. Guys, we should play a trick. We should play a prank on like someone who comes and joins the live stream. Like all like what? There's 42 of us here. Like let's all like here. What I'm gonna do is like it's me dead ass silent. Like I'm playing no music like it is, and like I'm also just gonna like mute my mic. And like I'm just gonna like pretend to talk, and you guys are gonna like pretend that you can hear me, and the person's just gonna get like confused as hell of like why they can't hear it. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm totally kidding. That'd be funny though. I'd be funny to do that to like. Could you imagine? Like all you guys are like responding to me like. You're like, what do you mean you can't hear him, bro? Like what? Hella funny. We should do that to like Salvo one night. Like do a Discord call and like kick him out on accident. When he comes back, like just make him think his fucking like speakers are out. Turn up volume, gang. Can you guys not hear me good? The R on his cars looks like Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint? What? I like his raps. Nah, the prank. That's what we would tell the dude. That's what I'm saying. Oh, we can. It's funny that actually happened to me later. Realized my phone was connected to my Bluetooth headphones. Luca's on one. Bro, I'm just trying to be funny. Like, I want to bring like fun live streams back, guys. Like, if y'all really want me to sit here and just fucking chart every pair and be boring, like we can do that. But I want to be funny. Trading is like 99% waiting anyways. Like shit. All we do is we kind of wait until I say buy or sell. Y'all got questions in between. Like people get so mad. Like y'all ever seen like I'll be like this. Like let's say I was looking up a video. I don't even know what video. Let's say I was like watching a video and someone came to watch trading. They'd be like, can you see the charts, please? Motherfucker, I'm in the middle of watching a motherfucking video. Nah, I'm kidding. Now we're obviously here to trade, but it's like, bro, I want to be able to do other shit too. Yeah, it's a waiting game. Like, what the fuck? It's like, bro, we got time. It's the same people that force trades. That's so, dude. There's someone. Fuck, I can't call him out. Never mind. Dude, look at the hourly. This is what I'm saying. Like, if it reversed and I saw a rejection and like turn around and stuff, cool. I'm definitely down. I just, once again, like, look at where price currently is. If I were to enter a sell position here, stop loss would have to all be. Like this is okay. This is a really good key thing that I want to tell you guys. Is you guys there's nothing like you can have like your analysis of like, oh, I'm gonna sell here because the next zone's like down here. You know what I'm saying? Say no, Diddy Chris is crazy. I miss you. Y'all are crazy. Alright, back to the tip I was trying to say. Fuck, thrown off. He said I miss you, I'm dead. Like let's say that like you want to take this sell and you're like, oh, it's supposed to sell and this is my next target. Like I want you all in the chat to be realistic. Like being more realistic with trading on zones and where you think price is going to is gonna make more sense. So why I'm saying that is like as someone who's a risk reward trader like myself, if I'm looking for some sort of position, I need to like at least have like a 1 to 2 to highs or lows. What does that mean? If this is the impulse leg, like this, like what I just marked up, like this high to this low, this is all I'm paying attention to. Like this is the leg, you know, like this was its own leg, this is its own leg, and now like this is its own impulse leg. Because we're not selling at the top, we're kind of in the middle. This is the low right here. Yes or no? Is this not the recent low? So, to me, that's negative risk to reward. You have to have your stop loss above the highs. And it's in like, yes, there's good market structure showing you that it's going to sell. Like, you know, if you wanted to get at the lower high. But there's nothing telling you that these lows are going to break to continue. It's just really not, I'd say, a high probability. Plus, I'd say not worth it. Treat trading like a business, guys. Understand like, does this make sense to put my money into this position? Is it going to benefit my company? Is it going to grow? Damn, I forgot to fucking respond to Shoddy. You feel me? Most of the time, they don't even listen to the real gem. Wait, why is everyone laughing? Is the same shit? Wait, what did I miss? Most of the time, they ain't even ready to real gems. It goes on one ear out the other. I miss you. Oh, wrong chest. Oh, it's the same shit. No, Diddy was crazy. Luke, are all the educators on the Discord profitable? Yeah. They're either profitable or like, I mean, at the end of the day, guys, it's about knowledge. Like the whole kind of concept of having them there is that every single educator has like a ton of knowledge. Not only do they send trades, but they send trade breakdowns or trade outlooks and you know what I'm saying? Like all that type of stuff. Like it's there to like help you guys with your analysis. You don't have to take their trades if you don't want to. But I would definitely say that all the educators that have a channel definitely milk the markets for sure. They might not like be super fucking like wealthy, but they all know their shit. I see it like if I made this trade 1,000 times, I win more often than not. Usually bad setups are obvious. Salvo, what does that have to, what does that apply to? Because I actually like what you're saying, but I want to know what you're like, what I was talking about that you said that too. I got distracted for a second. I see like if I made this trade 1,000 times, I win more often than not. Can you talk about trading Monday and Fridays, for example, how high time frames and maybe even manipulated candle? I don't know if it's just option. Probably a bit of what I hear. So like trading Fridays and Mondays, the way that I look at it is like I don't like trading Fridays for the opposite reason that I like Mondays a little bit, because Mondays we haven't seen like Mondays we haven't seen what the weekly's gonna do, and you can kind of go to a higher time frame and say like, oh damn, we might just be creating a top wick because look how small like this bottom body is. So you can kind of set an alert at the flip and like use that as conviction to get in the trade with, you know what I'm saying? Like let's say like you have like a good supply setup, but then after the supply and it breaks like lows, it's like also doing like heading to like a weekly flip type shit. That is a good, I don't know, to me like that's pretty dope. Whereas like trading Fridays, the weekly candle's already expanded. Like a lot of the time, like the weekly candle did this, like it's already a big ass sell candle that has its like, you know, wick like this, right? Like this is the weekly candle and the price did this, like it was at the low and there was no bottom wick. So as a trader like me who trades with the trend, what does trading with the trend mean? It means whatever freaking direction it's going, you don't really want to counter trend trade it. So if the weekly is this bearish, like going down, I don't want to be looking for buys. Well, at the end of the week, it could easily freaking do a top wick. Or not top wick, but like reject the bottom and come and like close like that instead. So you're like caught, you know, trying to sell while price is just making a stupid fucking weekly like fucking wick, you know? It's kind of just like, what the fuck? Y'all see gold holding though, y'all, you know, can't say I didn't tell you. Your last word was company investment. No cap, I real talk, man. Appreciate you, Philip. Hope you're doing good, bro. Get back to trading. Trent is your friend. Yes. Good to see you, NLT mode. Hope you're doing good, bro. Or forcing trades. A lot of times we force setups that we know that actually don't play out that often, but is the only opportunity we're looking at the moment. Yeah, that's such facts. Like, guys, what Sal was trying to say, which I completely agree with, is that like you've taken a similar setup and lost on it, but because it's like you're sitting down looking at the charts and you're fiending for a trade, like you're still just gonna like get into it. You know what I'm saying? For no good reason. Oh, what mode send in the chat room? Oh, let's go. It's just one of those days. It's just one of those. Feeling for a trade. Yeah, I can go over UJ. No wonder why Fridays are trap days. Yeah, like, does that make sense to you guys? Did you guys understand why I don't like it? Like, I don't trade Friday mornings in my indices group. It says it in the Telegram. If you go to the indices room, no, that's not it. The fuck? No trade Fridays and rarely on news days. Like, I'll trade some news days, but if it just fucks up the market, like, I just won't do it. But if I have conviction and have a fundamental bias, I'll maybe give it a shot. Bro, getting your freaking newborn a NLT onesie would be goated. That would be so sick. Oh my god, please. I'm assuming it gets easier with the bigger account size due to the fact that the scarcity mindset is involved with the smaller account size. I mean, bro, that's like one of the biggest true statements that I've repeated over and over again, that like, you're emotional, bro. When you're risking 20-30% on a trade on your like live account and you put $1,000 in, you're risking like $200 a trade, $300 a trade, bro, like, that's just fucked. Like, I remember that shit. It's just awful, bro. Focus on more funding, less percentages. Yeah, it comes with experience, not getting desperate, get into those shitty trades. Yeah. We'll send you a pick once I get a 10. Let's fucking go. Bro, is anyone in the chat who knows about merch? Anyone in the chat who knows about merch? And don't just say yep, like, oh, I like you like fashion. And like you would like to. No, I'm talking like you actually fucking know shit. GJ swapping the low. Nice low turtle soup. Oh yeah, we've got I'm trying to get on Team Merch, bro. You want print on demand? I want it so people can just buy from the website and then like they'll just send it out type shit. I guess that's where I'm at. I did a worksheet and I will be fortunate making at least 500 to 1,000 per trade. So now I'm working on depositing into an account so I can. Exactly, brother. It'll help you out tremendously. You want to get NLT more, you know, out there. Both, bro. I want to do both. Alright, so GJ is sweeping out this low. I can honestly just take this out because it did break. So because we did have a turtle soup play right here, what has to happen next? What has to happen next, guys? Yes, creative minds. Let's fucking go. Someone's been watching the VIP videos. Someone's been watching the VIP videos. Break a structure. So we're still in this bearish trend. So just because this low's been swept, it's not necessarily means that we just want to buy it. You know what I'm saying? We need to see some sort of shift of structure. Oh, this is a really good. All right, ready? Actually, here, let's just do this. Ready? Everyone in the chat right now. Everyone pay attention. Everyone pay attention. Listen up, listen up, listen up. Boom, boom, boom. Wake up. Everyone look at the screen. This is important. This is important. This is important. This is actually important. All right. So you guys see you know, we look left, we're holding this low. We've come down and swept this liquidity grab while holding this low. So that's giving me the conviction of what I was telling you about, of getting some sort of, you know, price holding here to potentially go bullish from here. I asked you guys what would need to happen, and a lot of you guys said break a structure, which is completely true. What I want to do is I'm going to mark up 2 areas, and you guys tell me which is the correct. Let's go. Start a poll. Because some of you guys can overcomplicate it. Some of you guys will know. Or not. All right, ready? So everyone pay attention. So you guys got it right. That needs to break structure before, you know, before like confirming that it's bullish because you've been bearish. This right here, once you break above here, we're calling that 1. Okay? Up in the, you know, kind of this area, we're calling this 2. So I'm putting a poll in the chat. Everyone click what would determine the break of structure for price to from going bullish to bearish. This is important, so everyone lock in. Let's see if you guys are gonna overcomplicate it or what you guys are gonna do. We're gonna give it a minute and then we're gonna get into it. You're a graphic designer about merch, bro? DM me. I also said that a while ago, so you might be back in the stream. So Zoom, like exit out and come back. All right. Salva, what did you say? What are 2? Everyone needs to be locked in. All right. So, yes, this is GJ. The correct answer, and I'm going to tell you why. Fuck, hold on, actually we'll go over it. Yes, there we go. I was about to get into it. And Gus fucking snap. So just because of what Gus said. Oh no, Mode said it first. My bad. Mode said it first. 2 is actually correct. Why? 2 things. It's funny because number 2. No one go change your answer. I still see 67% of you guys picked 1. One of them is that this is the last bullish candle that then led to the push, right? This is the last candle that led to the push. And the second thing is there's a fair value gap sitting right here, right above 1. Right above 1, if I erase this, price could easily come up and fill the fair value gap and reject off of 2 and go right back down. Right? So I also want to get into what Marcus Leaf said, because low key, Marcus Leaf honestly isn't wrong. We could have said 2 was up here. Like this high, I don't know. I like this one because this is the last bullish candle, but technically like this would be like the ultimate. This would be the ultimate confirmation, but that's already so far in this impulse leg that like I'm not gonna wait that long. If we can just even break above here and show, you know what I'm saying? Put some 44s in the chat. That makes sense. And put some W's if you learned something. Put some 44s in the chat and put some W's if you learned something. It's really important that you guys, you know, understand. Bro, look at this. Liquidity grab. Look at this turtle soup. Killing it. Killing it, killing it, killing it. Dude, just absolutely just lessons on lessons on lessons. So this is one right here. Wait, can you guys everyone keep spamming W's. I'm gonna take a video for Instagram. Spam W's, spam W's, spam W's. More W's in that chat. I know you got more in you. I need everyone in the chat to do W's, guys. I know there's more of you guys here. There's 52 of you guys. If you guys were all spamming it, it would be going crazy. There we go. Like that. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. Keep them coming, chat. Another night of absolute bangers. W's in the chat, guys. We're going through and we're learning a lot. We're going over fair value gaps as well as what's a proper break of structure. If you guys are not on the live streams, y'all are missing out, bro. Everyone loving it. W's in the chat. Click the link, subscribe, and I'm literally here every single night during the week, guys. Every single night during the week. Don't miss out. Click this link, subscribe. I'll see you guys back tomorrow for more W's in the chat, guys. No one's here doing it for free for everyone live. So come join the chat, join the number one community. See you guys back tomorrow. Let's go. If I could write you with and make you funny, y'all know that song? So would the gap between 1 and 2 be risky? Buy above 2 would be like safe buys. I've been watching Dr. Dollar YouTube, so when he was on. Yeah, Jonah, like you can consider it like that. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. That is a good way to put it, is that I'm gonna go over it one more time for anyone who might not have been here. Yo, we got Lauren in the building. Oh yeah, Lauren, we're gonna turn you up in a second. But guys, so like Lauren, we're going over a key concept right here. So if we're in this downtrend after this impulse, and we are breaking this trend line, a lot of people, once again, I said was waiting for the break of structure to show that we're going bullish. What would be a proper break of structure? Above 2, guys, is proper because this is the structure. Like, I wish I could just cut this off. Like, imagine this is like a big, like, sword, guys. Like, that thing I just put, this is its own thing, and this is its own thing. Consider it like that. Kind of like how, Jonah said with the risky buys above and stuff. Like this in between with this fair value gap is risky to buy into the gap. Whereas above here, this is the whole structure that broke that led to it. So if we can trade back above it, is more likely to get that move. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for the 10K, Luca. Oh, oh, Jealous is on that, bro. Guys, no giveaway tonight. Jealous just gets it for that. Okay, bro, gangster. W explanation, yes sir, guys. This is, you know, they give it as 2 different little things, bro. Cut it in half. No way. Bro. Penalty mode. Mo just sent a little picture of his baby, so cute, in the VIP chat. All right, we're getting the push. All right, guys, all 53 of you guys, I need you guys to go turn up my girl Lauren. Actually, I'm just gonna go to Telegram, pull it up. It'll be easier. Feel like it was always me versus the world, but then it was the world versus me. Why? Here we go. Boom.
What's happening, guys? Just so.
Alright, guys, everyone go turn Lauren up. Damn, she's actually killing it. Oh no, I'm not subscribed. Guys, we need to get Lauren to... How many of you guys are here? Let's get her to like 30 subscribers, guys. We're at 15. We gotta double that. Everyone go. She's gonna be dropping a lot of gems. Hands down, you're the best live stream with trading. Thank you, bro. I'm actually taking a picture with that. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Damn, how can I do it? Damn, how do I do it? Fuck, is this? Damn, I can't even do it all on the same thing. Subscribe and hit that. Yeah, everyone go hit the subscribe button. We're at 15. What do we got now? All right, 23. Come on, 7 more. Y'all can pump. If anything, we can get to 50. There's like 60 of you guys here. Lauren FX, everyone go crazy. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. That was her first video. Wait, was there her first video? Yeah, literally her first video, guys. Come on. And she's a fire trader too. She called that gold signal the other night. If you guys were here in the if you guys were here on the whatever. But thank you guys so much for going and subscribing. Let's see what she's at now. Oh yeah, damn, we're at 28. Come on, guys, 2 more. 2 more, yeah. Lauren Riley Forex trading, killing it. Oh damn, it looks pretty gangster. Lauren, are you still here? Did Conton do this? Whatever. And then everyone else also, guys, if you guys are bro. Can't believe me versus the world. Come on now. Bro, where's my shit fucking loading? Alright, we'll see if we got to the 30. Come on, guys. Boom! 30 hit. Alright, appreciate you guys. Quick load double. Quick load double. She had 50 views. I need a bunch of you guys to go click on the video. It's gonna pump in a little bit once it updates. So guys, look at us breaking above here. So this is basically the false buys I was kind of talking about. We'll see what kind of happens, but buying into this fair value gap. We'll see. Yes, sir. What's up, Lauren?
Thousands of people all around the world do the same, all because of these 3 things I'm about to show you. I've been day trading for over...
Bro, yeah, this is a pretty fire video, guys. I definitely recommend everyone to go. There's a lot of you guys here. I put out a YouTube video today about the 3 key factors that I believe made me a profitable trader. And I go in depth. Like I said, I talked about it earlier, but I really recommend everyone to really watch it all the way through. It's going to help you tremendously on your journey. Really just weed out a lot of the stuff. Bro, I was talking to my mom today. So I think I've told a lot of you guys before that I'm teaching my mom how to trade kind of, but she trades more on the 4 hour and has like a kind of a different strategy. And bro, she came to me today after doing this strategy that she learned from like Tori that I did in the boot camp and whatever. She calls me today and wants to show me a new strategy. A new strategy. And I was like, what the fuck? I was like, why are you trying to figure out a new strategy? Like, oh, it just makes more sense and it's easier to understand, and like all this type of shit. And I was just like, oh my God, I was like, I'm telling you right now, this is one of the biggest hurdles in trading, is that like there's so much information to come across that like at some point you need to stop getting on YouTube, because you're gonna come across some strategy that makes sense and you're like, oh, this is the way, and you're gonna change your whole strategy to go against this new one that you're like, oh, this one's fire, and you're gonna try it, and that one still isn't gonna be. Guys, I told her this, I was like, it's really not necessarily the exact strategy, it's whatever you're doing and how you perfect it. You literally just have to perfect a certain strategy over time until it's perfect, and then you run it up. You know what I'm saying? LOL, mom trying to recreate the wheel, that's what I'm saying. I just take Luca's Porsche wheel and use it on my bicycle, I'm dead. Oh, gangster. Yeah, make sure you guys go comment too. There's 11 comments.
I do a quick trade breakdown for yourself.
Everyone leave a comment too. Maybe that's what we'll do the giveaway. We don't do it in the Discord. Everyone leave a comment on our video as well. You have to be consistent, as I'm saying, bro. Gold's still going down, so no reason to be really looking at that. GJ, guys, I'm telling you, if this does this, I need y'all to all fucking. I mean, just one of those I told you so moments. We'll see. You just have to be consistent even when you're losing. That's what I'm saying. That's not what he managed, Sherlock. Y'all with me though? Y'all with me though?
I do a quick trade breakdown for you.
19 comments. Y'all can run it up more. Come on now. Do you have ice in that drink? No, Lauren. It literally is. It's from my PT. It's like a new. Oh, you're funny. Cause I asked you about the ice thing, bro. I have ice in here. Y'all hear that? Hella funny. You're dumb funny. This is low key me. No, go on now. Nah, it's not fun anymore. God damn it. This is how I apologize. I'm just sorry about shit. It's hella fun. Why? How did you do it when you had a job and trading at the same time? Like, what was your job schedule like, and what did you see at the time leave because of the job because of trading? brother, if you've gone and listened to any of my podcasts and stuff, I'm not trying to sound, bro. I talk about it like I'm, it's like I lie about it at all. But I was fortunate enough I never really had a job. I had a job lined up coming out of college to be a financial advisor, and that was about to be like my first, like, big time, big boy job type shit. But that was when I started, like I was already doing well in the markets and shit, and I was funded, and I just decided to bet on myself, bro. But I wasn't making a ton, like I definitely had to put my back against the wall to like believe in myself to do it. But yeah, no, I was in college. I started trading in college. Luca been trading. Yeah, I started trading in college. So like, I kind of, I got lucky because I learned about trading during COVID when I got sent home. So because I lived at home during, like when I was a sophomore in college still, actually I didn't like technically live at home. I lived in college, but I got sent home because of COVID. And that's when I learned trading, bro. And I was fortunate enough to like make it happen and make enough money from trading over the next years to save up. And then I was funded and shit by the time I graduated and was like, you know what, bro, I'm going to fucking full send this shit. But, I know that's not everyone's story. Everyone has their own shit. He was born a goat. Yeah. Yeah. No, I was just fortunate, bro. I learned early, but dude, I mean, it's funny because I learned when I was 20, and now I'm 24. I've been doing it for 4 years, and I consider myself that I learned it kind of late. Like I know people out there that learned it at like 16, 18. Like, bro, Mamba was doing that at like 16, 17. Like, what the fuck? Crazy. Lauren, how many subs do you want? We pumped you from 15 to 30.
I do a.
You want 50? Should we pump you? Yeah. Thank y'all for going and commenting. She's a goat.
Quick trade breakdown for yourself on the trade we took this morning. Hit a nice
What
1 to 3.
what's it called? What mic do you use, Lauren? I can help you with your settings to make it sound a little bit more crisp on OBS. I start at 19 now. I'm gonna be 20 August 11th. Damn, bro, hell yeah. Why? Have you ever met one of your classmates still working with Wheelbarrow? I don't know what you mean by wheelbarrow. If you mean just like still working a 9 to 5, yeah, bro. Like, I mean, I've gone back home, and I mean, I was home kind of recently, and there's 2 separate nights I went to 2 different restaurants, like during the week, and I took both times took a fucking hot ass chick out, and some of the people who were working were people I went to high school with, and I was just like, bro, holy fuck, like, how you still here working as that, bro? Like, not because I judge them, but it's like, bro, if I was in their position, I saw them and I saw me doing what I was doing, why wouldn't you reach out and be like, oh, what do you do? What are you doing? Can you help me out at all? Because, bro, like, I have so much free information out there, and like, if you're from my hometown and went to high school with me, bro, like, I would help you. But people just are so skeptical. And I think that one of the common things with my friends, a lot of my friends who work 9 to 5s, I think that like they're so mad they haven't seen your content. No, my friends follow me on Instagram. Like, they follow me on Instagram. Like, they follow the Instagram and see what I'm doing and the money I'm making. Bro, I'll go back home and I'll pay for all of us when we go out to food, and like, they see it. Like, it's definitely not there. I think it's just that like they're so like mad that they didn't do it, Like, it's yeah, exactly. It's like a jealousy thing, and it sucks. And I'm not saying to be cocky, because I hate it. Like, I wish that like I could. It's almost like I can't even go home and be myself. Like, I get to be down here and hang out with the people I hang out with down here, Ollie, Mamba, Cowboy, whatever. But when I go home, it's like I can't be like that. without people maybe thinking I'm ignorant or whatever the fuck. It kind of sucks. It's like people who are out of shape that I know who have never reached out to, then they hire someone as a stranger. Oh, yeah. Like you're a personal trainer. Yeah, exactly. Like if you're a personal trainer and then all your friends like don't want to reach out to you and they go to someone else because they just, you know, they're just haters, bro. It's so weird. You got them grew nothing new, bro. That's what I'm saying is that like it's nothing, dude. There's no hard feelings and like it's just weird, bro. I just was one of those people like, bro, I had such close friends in high school and was like kind of, you know, just had a lot of shit going on, bro. You see this false breakout right into the fair value gap? Like, bro, come on now. Cliche, bitch. I read this like a book. God, I'm so good at trading. It's kind of ridiculous. Envy is one heck of a thing, bro. People envy, yeah, and it's just sad. Why can't we all eat together? And that's why I love trading, guys. Everyone always asks me, Luca, why do you do live streams? Why do you give back so much for free? Bro, because if I win on these trades, I don't need you guys to lose. You guys can win with me. So why not I just fucking share what, you know? I share so much for free. It's crazy. Y'all can't name one trade that's given away. Not even gives away more, because yes, that's obvious. That's given away more challenges. I don't think there's one. Y'all can't name one more in the entire industry. In the entire industry. Think about how long I've been going live and how I'll give away a 50K, like 225Ks a night. Think about that. So let's just say I've been live streaming for a year for clarity now. You know, it's been over a year, but about a year. Let's just say out of those years, how many of those days are, so 365, but how many of those are 365 days, but how many of those are weekends? It's not 365, but let's just say even 200, which I know it's even more than 200. Let's just say for 200 days straight, I gave away, 200 days straight, I gave away 50K worth of accounts, or 200 days straight times 200 days times 50. Yeah. $10 mil. I think I've given more than 10 mil though, for sure. Because I've given away 100Ks and 200Ks, and that's just like if I gave away 225Ks. I've definitely given away more than 10 mil. Man, if I lived in Cali, I'd be at your crime on the floor. Oh, yeah. I just got back to what I said earlier. You got the best fucking live streamer that trades, and I barely found out about you a few weeks ago. Hey, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Honestly, I love trading communities. We're all in it together to complete and a goal, become better and profitable together as a whole with the same-minded individuals. That's what I'm saying. I've learned so much from you and continue to learn. Thank you. Never seen one like you. Appreciate it. That's why you'll be remembered as one of the goats. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Y'all are the goats. Now you guys are hyping me up. But like, no, like, I mean, I hope I get my flowers at some point, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, there's still a lot of, there's still a lot of like big names out there that are like bigger than me that maybe still don't think but it's like, bro, I do it so genuine, you know? Wow, but still live low key, don't chase clout. No, exactly. Like, bro, that's what people don't understand is like, I could pop out and go spend a lot of my money on like a Lambo just to market and live this, you know, like whatever, live a different lifestyle. But it's like, bro, I'm fucking chilling. I'm so happy and content. And I went out with one of my friends from high school recently in LA, and it was just us two. And he kind of asked me like, you know, bro, it's actually so funny. Bro, he literally asked, guys, you know what he asked me? Because we're already talking about it and like how, because he lived with me 2 out of the 4 years of college in a fraternity house. It was a guy like I was like best friends with in the dorms. No, so we lived next to each other in the dorms too. So technically 3 years, bro. So y'all got to remember, guys, I started trading in college and trading was not cool, bro. And I was like a cool guy. Like, it's not like I was like some loser guy and it was like whatever. It's like I was like a popular kid in the fraternity that also like at night would like be trading and doing shit on his computer. I wouldn't talk about it, but people knew I was doing it because like my close friends knew that I lived with and shit. And I was out with him, bro, after driving my Porsche, going, we go get lunch and shit. And he like kind of asked me, he's like, bro, like, how did you deal with like all the bullshit and like hate, like, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, bro, like, I just think that I was so content, like knowing where I was gonna be if I just stayed to it, that like I knew everyone was gonna fucking like at some point be like, damn, like he was right. And that happens all the time, bro. When I was back in San Francisco and I see some of my friends I went to college with, I remember one of them told me, because what they once again, they all follow my Instagram. One of them told me they're like, how you doing? Checking up and stuff. And they saw a reel of me. And in the reel, I talk about like how like, bro, everyone in college thought I was depressed in my room, like dolo. So like everyone thought I was fucking crazy depressed, but I was just had a bigger goal I was chasing. And he brought it up and said, bro, I saw that fucking, he's like, I saw that reel. And he's like, bro, that's just honestly real. He's like, that's just honestly real. Like, he's like, we didn't really know, like, if you just didn't want to go out or what, like, cause you used to go out a lot. But now we see what the fuck you built. And I was like, yeah, motherfuckers, I fucking told you. Bro, so dude, I mean, come on. So that got stopped. I literally explained this to the T guys. This is the most perfect little breakout too, because you would have thought that once it came down and manipulated the low, that we would break up and take the position, bro, right back down. Read like a book. I don't think anyone can hate you, Lucas, seriously. Yeah, I know, like I don't really have a lot of hate. Like it wasn't hate, like people didn't hate me because of it. But it was just that like Forex had a scammy name and it was like, oh bro, you're wasting your time, like Forex is a scam type shit. You know, like no one was like, you're a piece of shit. Like I don't really have any enemies, but people just didn't believe in the vision, bro. But I knew it. I knew trading worked. A lot of people, bro, people still come on this live stream. Like you guys have seen people come and in the chat room say, hey Luca, like can you be honest, like is trading real? And I'm like, what the, I was like, you have to like literally have never placed a trade on a prop firm or a live account to understand, because like all you need to see, all it literally took for me, guys, when I started to trade was to see those first blue numbers and close it. Once I saw those first blue numbers and closed it and had done like an internal withdrawal, you know what I'm saying? You know how like you'll do an internal withdrawal from like your account to then your wallet and the withdrawal from your wallet? Like that was when I was like, fuck, this shit is more than just numbers on the screen. I literally can internal withdraw that and withdraw it to my phone. All you need to see is those first blue numbers and your life's changed, swear to God. I've heard the same gambler scam, Ponzi scheme. Yeah, right. Manipulation probably over now. Can I miss the part of the live? Are we trading GJ? Yeah, this is GJ right now. We actually went over this position right here on this false kind of breakout, range 1, range 2, and how this is actually what we'll be waiting for. Why? Because this whole kind of area is what led to the break. So until we start trading back above this area, it's not, in my opinion, the most high probability to try to take buys yet. And it's pretty overly sold to take sells, because y'all, like, you know, it's to the point where a lot of you guys in the chat, like if you guys were here sitting with me and I gave you my mouse and I'd say, huh, like there's other stuff I look out for, but what's like the main thing I usually do to show you guys? Because y'all know I don't like use fibs to use fibs like as a rejection in certain areas. I use fibs to show you where we are in the impulse leg, and that I don't really take trades until prices had pulled back and it's in a discount, which is back, you know, above or below the 50%, depending on the bias. Bro, you and your team on Discord are like an all-around beast. That's what I'm saying, bro. Absolute gangster. Can we send the Discord link, guys? Salva, can you send the Discord link? Damn, 11:41. Damn, I'm gonna get out of here, bro. What the fuck? I did not know. That shit creeped up on me. Yep, so that premium by a discount, bro. It's should be simple. Motherfuckers be overcomplicating it though. Make sure y'all, once again, guys, run up my new YouTube video, run up Lauren's YouTube video. We be out here just putting in work. Nobody can fuck with us. This is Lauren's video right there. And then this is my new one, the 3 key factors of being a profitable trader. I really recommend y'all to go run it up, show some love, click it.
Thousands of people all around.
200 views is, I guess, not that bad for the first trade back in a while, but bro, I mean, come on now. Y'all should be showing love, especially with the gems that I spin it, you know what I'm saying? So, I love y'all. I'm going to end the stream in a second. If y'all have any last minute questions, definitely let me know. But I kind of want to get out of here. I think I'll probably go live tomorrow. Wait. Yeah. Damn, that's crazy. Live tomorrow. Andre Iguodala. What time you stream in the mornings? I actually don't, but I should. Turn on notifications for. Yeah, I know, bro. Should I tomorrow? What's tomorrow? I can maybe trade. I can maybe trade PM session if y'all are around for sure. You feel me? Stream tomorrow, that's what I'm saying. Guys, I think I'm gonna go over to my Instagram now to go live there for anyone who is interested. That's probably why I did the giveaway and everything. I didn't realize that we had 15 minutes to London, so I'm gonna go head over there and just do it real quick. So I can get ready for London. You know what I'm saying? Because I actually have to do something. I have to fix something on the trade copier right now before I go and start trading. If anyone here is interested in the trade copier and being on the trade copier, all it is really just getting your challenge passed or managed or whatever you want. It's up to you guys. So would you consider streaming New York session, G? I just really don't want to do New York session because it's so early. I'm really not myself. Like, y'all don't want to see early grumpy Luca. Like, that's why I still, like, I stopped streaming London because I was trading New York and was like, oh, I'll just stream New York. But bro, I'm just like tired and grumpy in the mornings. Like, the last thing I want to do is come here and like have some people like pop in the chat and be like, where's the giveaway? Why are you doing the giveaway? Luca, where's my account? You're a scammer. You're a piece of shit. Bro, yeah, like that at 6 a.m. does not sound the best to me. So that's why I said PM session is like a lot of you guys don't understand, but there's New York Open and there's also PM session, which happens around like 9, actually, I think like 9:30, 10 o'clock my time, which like that's a good time. You know what I'm saying? So like I'd be down to stream then and kind of chop down charts and maybe trade like NAS with you guys. But like the thing that sucks is I am the freaking last person awake. It sucks. I am the last person being in Pacific time in California. Like right now, guys, it's about to be midnight my time, and people think like, oh, that's fire. Like midnight London, like that's pretty chill. But it's like, bro, for someone who trades in New York and London, it's pretty brutal. I can't lie. Where's my 25K cash? That's what I'm saying. Like, I just don't have like that much patience for that type of bullshit and at 6 a.m. You know what I'm saying? Like, guys, I wake up at 5:45. I stream with you guys and I trade London till like 1 or 2 a.m. And then I go to bed for like 3-4 hours. And then I wake up and fucking trade New York. You know what I'm saying? Like, I put in that work for you guys. So 4 a.m. here. That's what I'm saying. Salva also puts in that work, bro. It's gonna pay off. Salva's gonna be, dude, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. Salva, did you go check your email? Salva, go check your email. Thanks, NLT team. He said, yeah, yes, sir. Don't fail me. I'm texting on IG. Yes, sir. 3 p.m. here, so mostly I'll see you London and New York, 9:30 p.m. See, that's just more chill, bro. Y'all are beasts. I appreciate y'all. Double stream or W stream. Put some 41s in the chat, guys. If y'all don't know why if y'all are not new to the streams, the reason we say 41s someone tell them what the 41s mean. Everyone in the chat, what do the 41s mean? We're gonna get an NLT hat that has 41 on it. I want to see who's been the first person to say it. All for one, exactly. One for all, guys. We're all a team around here, guys. NLT team to the freaking moon. Y'all can't fuck with us. All for one, one for all. At the end of the day, guys, we're all a team here, pushing each other to get to that next level and seek all the stuff that we all, you know, like I said, seek. Like whatever you seek you personally, if it's a better life, freedom, cars, money, whatever it is, that's what life's about, you know what I'm saying? What up, Nick? Repsol, bro, don't piss me off and keep fucking spamming shit. Dre should be active. I mean, I talked to him yesterday, so I don't know, I could text him. But yeah, 41 guys, all for one, one for all. We're all a team here, guys, at NLT. That's why I say, guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. New YouTube videos coming all the time. Instagram videos, all that good stuff. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you next time. Peace out, gang. Later. Deuces. Jello, shut the fuck up. I'm dead. Peace out, gang.